Now this is the Florence, but it's in a different colour. This is the mixed brown and it's rooted. And if you look at the highlights, there's auburns, there's chestnuts, there's blonde. It really is beautiful. And of course it depends how you're feeling on the day. One day you can be blonde, the next day you can be this colour. That's the fun that you can have, the fun, the choice. You know, you never need to be the same person twice or ever have the same hairdo twice. The choice really is endless. I love this colour. I didn't think I would, I have to say. I didn't think it would suit me, but I like it, I really do. And let me draw your attention to the beautiful side fringe there. It's got beautiful wispy layers. We've got the lace front, we have the rooting there and all the different highlights and lowlights and the movement, and it feels beautiful. It also has a really comfortable cap. And of course the colours here, we have all the colours, as you know, really is fantastic. Let me show you the back there. Just look at all the movement. And the movement is what really makes these wigs look and feel like they really are the real thing. If you're outside and the wind is blowing, it's going to blow just like your real hair. Look at that.